Hey adventurers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 best budget action cameras of 2025. And yes, we actually tested these out in the wild. We strapped them to helmets, dunked them underwater, took them hiking, biking, and even slow-mo'd a few epic fails. Let's jump into the gear that impressed us most. First up, the Akaso Brave 8 Lite, and wow, this one punches way above its weight. We shot in 4K 60 Ultra HD and the footage was buttery smooth thanks to its super smooth stabilization. The 20 megapixel photos were crisp, even in motion, and the HDR mode added depth to our sunset shots. It's waterproof, has 8 times slow motion, zoom, a super wide angle lens, and comes with remote control and accessories. We tested it during a rainy trail run and it didn't flinch. Perfect for vloggers, adventurers, and anyone who wants pro-level features without the GoPro price. Check the description for the best price and product link. This one's a budget beast. Next, the classic GoPro Hero. It's compact, rugged, and delivers reliable 4K Ultra HD video with 12 megapixel photos. We took it kayaking and the waterproofing held up flawlessly. The touchscreen is responsive, and while it's more stripped down than the flagship models, it still delivers that iconic GoPro quality. If you want a trusted name with solid performance and don't need all the bells and whistles, this is your go-to. Hit the description for the product link and best deals. GoPro quality, budget-friendly price. Now this one surprised us. The DJI Osmo Action 3 is built for the outdoors. 4K at 120 frames per second, horizon steady stabilization, and a super wide field of view that makes your footage feel cinematic. We strapped it to a chest mount during a mountain bike ride and the footage was rock solid. It's cold resistant, comes with 2 batteries for up to 320 minutes of shooting, and includes backpack and chest strap mounts if you're into hiking, cycling, or extreme sports. This is the action cam that keeps up. Tap the description for the product link and best price. This one's built for the bold. If you want maximum value in one box, the Apex Cam 4K action camera delivers. It shoots in 60 FPS, captures 48 megapixel photos, and comes with a 64 gigabyte card, remote control, Wi-Fi, and a full helmet mount kit. We tested it underwater, 40 meters deep, and the footage was shockingly clear. The 170-degree wide-angle lens gives you immersive shots, and the 8x zoom lets you get creative. For vloggers, travelers, and sports enthusiasts on a budget, this one's a steal. Check the description for the best price and product link. This kit is ready to roll. Last but not least, the Akaso Brave 7 LE. We tested this one during a beach day and it handled sand, splash, and sun like a champ. It shoots 4K at 30 frames per second, has 20 megapixel photos, EIS 2.0 stabilization, and supports external microphones for better audio. The dual 1,350 mAh batteries kept us going all day, and the 131-foot waterproof rating means it's ready for serious underwater action. With touchscreen controls, zoom, and remote functionality, it's perfect for vloggers and content creators who want flexibility and reliability. Hit the description for the product link and best price. This one's a content creator's dream. So there you have it, our top 5 budget action cameras of 2025, tested and approved. Whether you're diving into the ocean, climbing a mountain, or just capturing everyday adventures, these cams deliver serious performance without draining your wallet. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description below for all the product links and best prices. Your next adventure deserves epic footage, so gear up and get rolling.